Hey guys, this is Justin here. We are going to look at integer exponents in this lesson. We're going to start with using a pattern to simplify negative exponents. So if you see here, we have 10 to the negative fourth power. This negative integer means that we're going to divide 1 by the base 4 times. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, which happens to be the decimal and 4 place values behind that decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's look at 10 minus 5, or 10 to the negative fifth power, I'm sorry. So our base is 10, and we have a negative exponent of negative 5. So we have 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which translates to 5 places behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's look at 10 to the negative 7. Pause it, solve it yourself, and then click play to see if you got the right answer. Great, let's check your work. So we have a negative 7 exponent and a base of 10. That would be 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which translates into 7 place values behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now let's look at simplifying some exponents with a different base other than 10. So here we have a base of negative 2 and a negative 3 exponent. So that means we're going to divide 1 by negative 2 3 times 3. So we have negative 2 times 2 is 4 times a negative 2. I'm going to say 4 times a negative 2 would be a negative 8. So this equals a negative 1/8. Okay, so let's look at 6 to the negative 4. We have a base of 6 and an exponent of negative 4. So that's going to be 1 over 6, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our exponent. 6 is our base. 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6, I have to do it to the side. Is 216. Times 6 again. 6 times 6 is 36. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 12. This is 1296, which equals 1 over 1296. Okay, now let's look at 1 for you to try on your own. Let's look at 3 to the negative third. So pause here, solve 3 to the negative third, and then push play to see if we got the same answer. Great, you're back. Let's see what we got. So we have a base of 3 and an exponent of negative 3. So that means that we're going to divide 1 by 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times. First step. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3, 9 times 3 is 27. So this equals 1 over 27.